Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. Okay, so today, yeah, nobody told her what we're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down. I got 4 drinks all together. Cause my mom had some she got some what's that corn from the same place where I got my crawfish from, which is HEB. So I got, and it was pretty hot. The corn's pretty hot, and I know if the corn's hot, like if these crawfish are hot like the corn is, I'm a problem. So I got 2 bottles of water, um, some juice, and a cold sweet tea from KFC. And this, we put my heads and stuff in. So, you know what? We got closer. That's too much better. Alright. We're gonna unbag these. They cold. I typically don't warm my crawfish up after they've been cold. It's just too much, and I don't feel like doing all of that. Oh, and I don't know if they. Oh, I don't know if they clean them or not. I got it from HEB that's already being cooked. So I don't know if they clean them or not. So therefore, I got paper towels. But I wanted to talk to y'all today about some stuff that I was hearing on the radio this morning. I got 1.5 pounds. I don't need that much of this stuff. CHEB. I don't need that much of this. I got 1.5 pounds. No. I will be coming out with some more Madden 2K footage. Just got my college stuff going, so I might be slacked up a little bit. Okay. So, what I want to talk to you about today, it was, I don't know if y'all can hear that in the background, my window is open. It's really hot in my room. It's always hot, so my brother opened the window, I guess, while I was gone. And they cutting grass, so excuse the noise. Turn my phone off, vibrate. Alright, I want to talk to y'all about something I heard with being like for females. Okay. Females are some of the strongest people in this world simply because get that. Simply because they go through some females go through some. Okay, I'm not gonna say some. Females go through some stuff. Some of them, not all of them. Females go through stuff, and dudes put them through that. But the male's basically saying like sometimes we don't treat our females with enough respect, and sometimes that's true. Most of the time that's true. It's well seasoned. I can give them that. It's well seasoned. Not that spicy for now, but yeah. And he was basically saying like females tend to be weak versus males, but some females are stronger than some of y'all dudes. Me personally, I think that physically, not even physically, mentally, females are stronger because they have babies, bro. Yeah, we get them babies, but that absolutely got push that out. So they take the most pain out of men and women. Anyway, these are good. I might not be doing that much talking. I just went and got my books today for like 62, 62. Oh my god. I was gonna make this video earlier, but my brother took all day getting up for school. Since I had to drop him off. I dropped him off for like, what, 10, almost 10 o'clock? Yeah, 10 o'clock. So, no, I'm not eating this with no butter or nothing. Because there's more stuff I don't feel like making. But, to be honest, I don't really need no butter. No, they're not that dirty as I thought they would be. The people clean them pretty good. They're not really dirty, but I should have went live to see what y'all want to talk about. But yeah, some females are stronger than males, and then it's like I don't know. Yeah, some of these females stronger than dudes. But you gotta respect like people that's married and stuff like that. We gotta start respecting women because they got through a lot. Within if you married, like you know what I mean. So like respect women, bro. That's how we're raised to respect women. Um, some women, like I said, some women are stronger than female. I mean males. Some women are stronger than males. I know a lot of women are stronger than dudes. A lot. And women sometimes put up with more than dudes put up with. A lot more. Mm. This is already off the head. I ain't gonna take this stuff. It's just in the bag, chilling. Okay. Um. I said these are cold because I bought them yesterday. I went and got them yesterday. And I was like, I was in my girlfriend's house, so and she allergic to them, so I didn't feel like going all the way into another room to eat them. So you know what? I'll just wait till I get home. I was like, well, when I get home, I can make a video with them. So that's what I'm doing. Now, how is our Monday going? We was going to do a hmm, that season he's good. A couples video this weekend, but we didn't have no ideas about what to do with it. She was like, what do you want to do? I'm like, I don't care. What do you want to do? So I don't know. So I got my Instagram, my Snapchat, and send me some video. I mean, send me some video ideas of which I want to see. I was recently told I was able to grow my channel by some stuff, but me personally, I don't want to take the easy way out of anything. I want to earn what I get. So okay, so I text somebody. Oh my god, now my dog is crying. Hold on. Yes, Cody. Come on. He won't come in here, so my mom not in the house yet. She's outside eating. But he can't handle this, but you can sit there and watch me eat, I guess. But yeah, so yeah, back to my story. So I DM the people, like her managers, the woman managers, and she was like, it's 25 for 100 subs and 200 for 1,000. Like now I'm straight. I don't want to buy no subs. I got an email from YouTube basically when I first started, seriously started, that they find out you bought subs or whatever, that they'll take your channel. And I worked too hard for this channel, bro. Just to take it like that. So I'm like, nah, can you just like give me not, you know, some advice. I take no easy way out like some people do. And some people around here buy subs. I'm not doing that. Simply because my goal is to be the best I can be. Whether that's on YouTube off of it. But I like doing YouTube. I like doing 2K videos and Madden videos. I love seeing y'all comments. I reply to every comment. If you go under my videos, they got comments. Not all of them got comments. But if you go under them, every comment that I've seen on my under my YouTube videos, I reply to everyone. If you subscribe and you DM me, I'll reply to you. Guarantee reply to you. I don't like this. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. I like this little part. Excuse me. But yeah, I got some goals that will be completed by the time I'm 25. And I hear that it takes 4 years to take off on YouTube. And by the time I'm 25, I'll be took off by then. Now, I'm a very religious person. I believe in prayer, believe in God. So, you know, I pray a lot. I'll sit down in the shower. The shower just run over my head and just pray. I bet y'all, I got an email. But yeah. But let me get back to what I was talking about. Like I said, some women are stronger than men. Women do more. I'm not gonna say. Well, okay. They don't lift some. Okay, I can't say that. All right. Women deal with more than some men. That's all I'm gonna say. Because some women are abused. Um, Sexually abused. Abused, mentally abused, whatever the case may be. Mental abuse. But what the man was also saying on the radio this morning, and I was listening to it because it sounded pretty interesting. Basically, when you think about something, no, yeah, when you think about something, okay, I'm gonna stop that up because I'm gonna confuse myself. Basically said, just like you season your meat, nobody wants unseasoned meat. Put some seasoning into your thoughts and all of that. See, so, and he was like, we act off of, our behavior is off of, past, past memories or, the bad stuff we've been through. And it's not towards somebody, it's not because of somebody else that we act crazy towards, but towards, we act the way we do because of what we've been through. Basically. These got some juice to it, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, see, these did a good job. I like these. Okay, I'm sure she'll be in a minute. But yeah. Now, since I'm in college, I only take one class. Thank God, because there's so many other classes I had to take and I couldn't get to them. If y'all want, I could do a my college life on as a YouTube series. As if y'all want. Yeah, I do eat the paws. Sometimes, most of the time I will. I like to get all the heads out the way and the tails first. Because the paws is the spiciest part of the crawfish. It always is, for me at least. But I got some big plans coming this year. What I want to do. Um, Now, I'm not gonna. Well, I'll be uploading on another channel. I want to say every Monday. It's for my church, which, bruh, somebody eat my stuff? Half of these heads is gone. Wow. Ooh, that has a kick to it. The smaller crawfish ever. No, I've seen the smaller crawfish this in my lifetime. But yeah, bet y'all I'm hungry. I skipped KFC to do this video. Mom went to KFC and I was like, nah, I got a video I gotta do. Now, yeah, I can do a I'm gonna be a freshman. I know it's all the way over. I was a senior in high school, now I'm a freshman in college. Poor me. That big one, man. I don't see why people are so obsessed with lobsters. Ain't nothing but a bigger crawfish. That's it. Like, why y'all so obsessed with lobsters? Let's see. Hope you enjoyed that Q&A. Y'all did last week. First Q&A of 2020. I swear, half of my tail is gone. I don't know why. But like I said, I will be eating the paws after I get those tails. This most likely gonna be gone in this video, cause it don't take long for you to eat crawfish. And I'm most likely to get full anyway. I'm gonna do another story time. I don't know what it's gonna be about. I got so many stories that I haven't told y'all. No bad. I'm hungry and I'm not really talking that much. Hmm. Whoa. That drippage. All that drippage. It's like, look at this. I don't even know what this is no more, bruh. I don't know. Like I said, it's like half of them is just demolished. I don't know. Like they all like some. Oh my god. The tails is cut already off. It's like it's been under everything you see in the juice. So Just like it's the same color as the juice. Some I don't know. Some of these are look like they already been eaten, and I ain't eat these yesterday. But yeah, I got some more videos I want to come out with. But we will be on this 20. I said 20. 2K 19 99 overall grind. I'm not really gonna call it a grind because I'm not gonna be uploading on that so much. To the point where this is like I get 99 overall in like 2 weeks. Probably gonna take a month, a couple months because I don't be home like that. But when I upload, I'm uploading either I'll do a video and like sometimes it'll be just sitting there waiting for me to upload it. Sometimes if I know I'm busy this week, like during the week, I do 3 or 4 videos a day and just let them sit. That way, I have videos for you guys every day. Maybe once a week, twice a week. I mean not once a week, twice. I mean once a day or twice a day. Lately, I've been doing two streams a day, vids, but they might stack up come Monday. I start classes Monday. So I probably won't be uploading that much. And the time I get out of class, it's like my girlfriend get out like 5 minutes after that, and then my brother get out a couple hours after that. So then when he come in the house, it's I'm ready to play the game. He don't do nobody work, but he won't play the game. So that's why when I am streaming, I stream early. That way, I can get the 2 streams and another video out to you guys. I ain't gonna lie. These are the best crawfish I've had in a minute. Whoever seasoned these had no what they was doing. These ain't no joke. I'll fight somebody over these. What a hit. What else? What else do I got? Oh, yeah, I'll tell you. Okay, so I will be doing Easter. No, I'm not gonna say Easter bash because it's gonna be a fundraiser for my church. If you guys are interested, I will leave my Cash App in the description box below. If you're interested, I was supposed to leave a link in the description. I think on my stream. I forgot. I never did it. I forgot. I'm sorry. Flow 20 was. But yeah, I'm taking donations. It's for, I said, my church. Yeah. I don't care if it's 50 cents, dollar, whatever. It's not. It's optional, of course. You can't make that donate money, but you know. Oh my God. Got a drippage. Juicy drippage. And seasoning, it don't taste like regular seasoning. It's like, I don't know. It's not regular. The crawfish, it's not regular crawfish seasoning. They did something else to these. It is bomb, bro. Hope y'all taste to the camera. These before, but if not, they probably gonna fall. But yeah, like, bro, these be the juiciest, hardest ones. The ones that ain't got no heads on no more. There's a lot in this bag like that. Again, the bag is so small, I got 1.5 pounds, really 2 pounds, but you know. I don't know who was in charge of seasoning these, but boy, because I eat a paw. The paws are hot, so I know I'm gonna need some drink with them. And yeah, oh, okay, no, I don't want to talk to you about. I've been trying to stay away from this subject so long. I just keep hearing it every day, every day. This coronavirus. Now, from what I heard, it's airborne, but you can prevent by you getting it by, you know, I had to go to the restroom, wash your hands. Um, Stay 30 feet away from whoever coughing, bro. I mean, not 30 feet, but you know what I mean. Don't be all up in that face like this. Like, no, bro. They coughing, be like, hey, give me 50 feet, bro. Yeah. Wash our hands. Now, how we doing a big giveaway? Uh, Probably money, most likely. But we gotta get to 100 subs when we do that. We are at 83 right now. I have multiple channels that I'm about to start working with. I work with my channel obviously, but I want to say with every Monday there will be two channels uploaded. Go sub to a channel named Logos Victory Channel. That's the other channel I'm gonna be uploading on. That's like my church channel. Logos Victory Channel. Go look them up. Subscribe to the channel. Go watch some of the videos. Get your mind right, basically. Again, Logos Victory Channel. If I do not forget, the link will be in the description box below. Go check them out. If you decide you want to come to the church, if you live in Houston, if you live in Texas, and you want to come to the church, DM me. I can give you the address, stuff like that. You know, just come see what it's about. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. But pretty cool people. It's not like other churches. It's not big. Probably not even 10 people at the max. Not even. I'm not gonna say 10. Not even 20 people at the max. So it's like a lot of seats. You come. Visitors come all the time. I try to go every Sunday. I was raised in church, so it's first nature to me. But okay, I want to show y'all something. I don't know if y'all can see this, but hold up. Look at all that juice. All of that juice. Look at that juice. So only imagine your crawfish tail just sitting up in that for about a whole day in the refrigerator, just bruh. You know what's going down. But yeah, back to the church thing. Again, Logos Victory Channel. The link will be in the description box below if I don't forget. And yeah, y'all go check it out. Subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of stuff on that channel. Like I said, I'll be doing the recordings, uploading it, all of that. What else? Yeah, hope you like my intro. Took me a minute to do that, but it's like I'm trying to perfect something. If it's not every inch is correct perfectly, I erase the whole thing and do it again. So it took me a minute. I had to go like 5, 6 different apps just to get my intro right for this channel. Now, I've been forgetting to pray on YouTube. Not in church, but on YouTube. I know it said every video I do a prayer before I start. I've been forgetting to do that. That's on me. Uh, TikToks. That's what I want to talk to you about. TikToks. I don't know how that's gonna go. Cause my TikTok plug be busy. She got her own life. She go to school and everything like that. So I don't worry about her about TikTok so much. Yeah, I don't really worry with her about TikTok so much. If she make them, she make them. She don't. She don't really be caring. But make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. What else? I think after this, I'll be no. Before this video come out, I'ma stream 2K. So you've probably already seen it by the time the video came out. I think we're up with 3-0 versus the Wizards. Told you I'm sweeping everybody. By the time y'all watch the video, I'll sweep them already. Now, there's nothing in here really but paws. Like I said, the paws are already hot by itself. So imagine how they are. It's shooting that juice that I showed you. I'm gonna show y'all again in a minute. Sitting this for a whole day and cold. Very hot. I'm pretty good though. Turns out I didn't need the other 3 drinks. I don't know what happened to my crawfish, but they are all like some of the tails are just marinated. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean with this one. All right, how juicy that look? How juicy that look, bro? It's not soggy, but you can tell it's been in sauce for a minute. Now, I tend to do sometimes. I drink a shot of sauce. I mean, other juice. A shot, just a shot. I don't want to get sick or like it, but I don't drink that much because you get sick. Well, back to this Corona stuff. Yeah. You know, wash our hands. Basically have great personal hygiene. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, he's back there sneezing. Bless you, Cody, bless you. Got the dog sneezing, bro. And he ain't even eating nothing. Get that. Get them paws. Them paws. I told you I'm gonna eat the paws. I'm gonna eat the paws. I'm gonna eat them paws. Can't have none of this, bro. This will make your eyes water. Oh, I've been meaning to do a turtle video lately. Haven't gotten to it. The last time I did it, and then y'all didn't really watch it, so like, what's the point? I changed my mind about this matter rebuild. Now on, if I can, I'll be doing certain videos on certain days. Like Madden, probably every Tuesday. Cause you know I'll do basically 4 videos a day if I can. you put upload. Now, today is Monday, so this video is coming out today. But like I said, stream will be up before this video out anyway. Cause no, I'm not editing this video, but the stream will still be out because it takes like 30 seconds for me to stream. It takes like 20 minutes for this. Not even 20. Maybe about 5. Yeah. I'm gonna be done with this video, y'all. So I can go ahead and hop on the stream. And maybe some of y'all join, some of y'all won't. This video 36 minutes. It'll take a long time to upload. I notice when I have long videos that it takes a long time to upload. And that's just common sense for some people. I have a cut in my nose, so when I itch my nose, it hurts. I was in ACC today. I ain't gonna tell y'all which one, but I seen 2 freshmen that was acting just like high schoolers. I'm like, bro, y'all ain't y'all paying for school? Like, chill. Like, yeah, I was a terrible high school freshman. High school and college is 2 different things, though, bro. Like, I understand when people be like, why you in high school and it's free? Do what you gotta do. To college? Bro. Beware, when you go to that financial aid office, all the videos y'all seen about financial aid be like, bro, 100% true. They always got attitude. Like, bro, I ain't do nothing to you. You gonna apply for the job, not me. Bro, like, they always got attitude. I wouldn't have been there 4 times. I said the question, you need to do this, you need to do that. But, really rude. Don't go up in there if you're having a bad day, because you're going to cut some people clean up. When you are having a bad day, stay away from financial aid. Please do not go towards some people, because they will make you go there with them. I'm telling you. You got a call by a dude, bro, and you already heated, don't go to that financial aid office, bro. I'm telling you. Whatever you got going on and you're not in the mood, bro, for nobody else bull crap, do not go to the financial aid office. I guarantee you, you're going to walk out of there with it, bro. Somebody's feeling going to be hurt by the time you walk out. I guarantee you. Because the way they talk to you, bro, you be like, bro, come again? Like, no, you need to chill. But yeah, financial aid, dude, they be that people. Some of them, not all of them. I met a dude in financial aid. He was pretty cool. But some of them females, like attitude, like, I'm like, man, what's wrong with you? They got problems. Not all of them. Some of them. I've had 2 people talk to me nicely. Or 3 people I dealt with. 2 talk to me, they got some sense. The last one, attitude. Bruh. So, like I said, if you were having a bad day, you're not going financial aid. Don't go to the office. You better do it online. Somebody gonna walk. You gonna walk out of there. Yeah. But you, they be like, oh dang, I ain't playing with her, or you gonna hurt somebody's feelings. Oh my god. Yeah, get that. I've seen bigger posts than these though, but for this bunch, it's probably the biggest. Now, I'm kind of shook. I feel disappointed because these not as spicy as I thought it was gonna be. To me, they spicier because you know I feel like they cook faster than the whole crawfish. You know what I mean? So I feel like they get too much juice. But these, the tails of the taste, the tails are spicier than the paws. I mean, they a little spicy. They mild. They ain't none of that, bro. None of that, bro. So yeah, if you got attitude, okay. Now these ones in these juices and milks, do not go to financial aid. Wait till the next day. I'm telling you, and people, they rude. They're very rude. And then they will send you to a whole nother office knowing knowing they got the paperwork for you. Like, bruh. Orientation. Oh my god. Orientation is a waste of time, bro. I'm telling y'all that now. If you have orientation, bro, it's a waste of time, bro. You're not gonna use half of that stuff you're using orientation. We have to use they tell you in orientation half of it. I'm telling you, you're not. Y'all about it. Oh y'all just remember y'all finna be on spring break. I feel so dead on spring break because I got school. Come on, Carter, get up. Get up. Like he's lost his best friend. You gonna say what's up to the camera? I'm gonna show y'all how you look in a minute. In a minute. Now, for every sweep that I do on 2K, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. But yeah. Until you dudes that's out here abusing women and molesting kids and all that crazy nonsense, you a bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't wanna do it like that. That's out here mentally abusing women. Even abuse is abuse, bro. It don't matter what kind it is, bro. You catch the ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not scared to fight a grown man. I might lose, but I ain't scared. I'm not scared. Okay, yeah, this starting to kick in. Yeah, I'm not scared to fight grown man. Bro, look at it. Look at that juice. I'm gonna clean my hands up. If you can just feel, oh, it's holding it. You can just feel the little legs. Oh, hold up. Can I tell? You know I gotta eat this. And let's clean my hands. Oh well, it is what it is. That's one. Alright, y'all, I'm done with this video. Yeah. See you later. Like, subscribe, share. I'll be coming out with some more shirts. Well, not this, not my shirt. I ain't gonna act like this is my shirt, but it's not. But I found a place with some dope designs for shirts, and I'll be coming out with some shirts. But I need your orders. So I know I said I want to do this, but I'm have to do it just for the YouTube. I got nothing crawfish down there. I keep wiping my hands but finding some more crawfish. This juice feel weird. Like I ain't no cut in my hands. I just stuck my whole hand in the juice. But hit me up. It's gonna be $30 a piece. Not even 30, like probably 20, 25. Yeah, 20, $25 a piece for a shirt. But y'all pay me more money with Polo and Jordan than I do with my shirts. But yeah, shirts coming out soon. Never know, might have a slide line, you know, line for the slides. Y'all keep hitting me up, bro. I'm gonna do a video for my peoples. Who is these? Oh, who is these? Who is these? Nothing important. It's an email. My girlfriend always like, you get 50 emails a day and you don't looking at them because they're not important. Oh, yes. Oh, y'all see them. I said I want to do this, but I got to. Just for y'all. Got to, just for y'all. I'm going to take 3 little, you know. Is on the right side? No, I think it's the other side. It's locked?
Yeah.
Hold up.
He be smelling me.
He came in here with me because you weren't in the house yet. Okay. I'm going to do it for y'all. Alright. Y'all ready? Not just the right side, but. I'm just the right side, y'all. We're gonna make the right side, so I'm about to bite a hole in it. Bit a hole, you ready? Ooh. I see, can't do no more. Alright, well, gotta wash my hands, but yeah. I love y'all. Have a great, fantastic, productive, organized, stress-free, happy Monday. I'll see y'all in 2K. Peace. Oh yeah, hit me up about the shirt, bro. Don't hit me up. Love y'all. Peace. Work hard, stay humble. See y'all.